Hi guys, I'm Ashish and I welcome you to iQuanta iQA series in which we will cover all the CAT past year questions of quantitative aptitude. In this particular video, we will cover the ratio problem which came in CAT 2022 slot 1 and the concept is literacy rate. So let's look at the question. The question says in a village the ratio of number of males to females is 5:4. The ratio of number of literate males to literate females is 2:3. The ratio of number of illiterate males to illiterate females is 4:3. If 3600 males in the village are literate, then the total number of females in the village is. So basically in such kind of questions we can see that there will be male and female and there will be literate and illiterate people. So how to start this question? There is a simple way to solve this question. Just make a matrix, something like this. Okay. In this matrix you can write here male and female. You can write here literate and illiterate. So we can easily make this matrix of 2 cross 2. Now in this question they are saying in a village the ratio of number of males to females is 5:4. So male to female ratio is 5:4. We can write here 5x and 4x. Okay. Now they are saying the ratio of number of literate males to literate females. The literate male and literate females is 2:3. So this ratio is 2:3. Okay. So we can say 2y and 3y. Okay. Now in this question also they have given that if 3600 males in the village are literate. So male which are literate is 3600, that means this value is 3600. It is given to us. Okay. Now 2y is equal to 3600, that means 3y must be equal to how much? We can easily find it with the help of unitary method, but we can easily calculate it that 2y is equal to 3600, that means y is equal to 1800 and 3y is equal to how much? 5400. So we can see that the females are 5400 which are literate and males which are literate are 3600. So basically talking about illiterate, the total number of male persons are 5x and out of which 3600 are literate. So that means illiterate must be 5x minus 3600. So we can say that illiterate is 5x minus 3600. Okay, this is 5x minus 3600. Okay, and this value must be 4x minus 5400. I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward, we can see that it is given in the statement that the ratio of number of females or number of illiterate males to illiterate females is 4:3. So that means we can say 5x minus 3600 which is illiterate male to 4x minus 5400 which is illiterate female. The ratio is 4:3. So just solve this question, this statement, this equation. You will find the value of x here. Okay. So 5x into 3 is 15x. Minus 3600 into 3 is 10800 which is equal to 16x minus 5400 into 4 is 21600. So now we can see here it is 15x, here it is 16x. So 16x minus 15x is equal to x which is equal to 21600 minus 10800 which is equal to 10800. So the value of x is 10800. So we can easily find the value of the total number of males and total number of females here. In the question they are asking then the total number of females in the village is, so the number of females in village is 4x and the value of x is 10800. So 4x is equal to 4 into 10800. So this will be equal to how much? 43200. Number of females in the village. Okay. So this is all about the question. The answer of this question is 43200. This is a theta question which was there in 2022 first slot. Okay, and it's a very simple question. You can easily see that we can easily solve this question. You just have to understand how to approach this question. If you have right approach, you can easily solve this question. Thank you very much, guys. We will come with a new question in the next video. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.